Hi there and welcome back to Reviews by Roxy. My name is Roxy and today I'm bringing another really great review for you. So let's jump in. So this particular product, I have reviewed something similar before. You may have seen one of my earliest videos. And so it was just a no-brainer for me to come again and tell you about the next product within this series. I created a really cool bonus for it the first time around. And I've created, I'm in the midst of creating another really cool bonus for this particular product as well. So what it is a huge set of productivity viral videos that you can use for TikTok, for Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and lots of things like that. All of those different short form platforms. As we know, short form content is just super hot, super popular at the moment. So this is a really great way for you to break into that market without having to break a sweat. So if we look on this sales page here, I've got review access. It's made by a really great product creator called Daniel Melandri. And the review access, I'm going to just take you behind the scenes, give you a sneak peek of what you're going to get, and then also tell you about what I'll be providing for you as well as within my bonus. All of Daniel's products are always really high quality, so this was just an absolute no-brainer for me to have a look at. So as you can see on this first page, you can see some examples of the videos. So these are productivity focused, so they've got really nice sayings, really inspirational productivity themed quotes with that kind of scroll-stopping video movement and video in the background. So that's what you get. And the thing that I always like about his products is that you get so much for so much bang for your buck. It's such a small price point, so competitively priced, and what you're getting is just, it just makes it a no-brainer. And within this particular product, you also get bonuses. So you get a tutorial guide. So it just lets you know how you can make edits to it within Canva. Really, really easy, and make them differentiate them from the crowd. There's also ebook and a video course, 2 sets of ebooks and video courses. So you're getting that additional content that you can use as you please. So as we can see, it's just given you some examples of different social media accounts that are really have so many followers, raking in the likes and the engagement as well. So these videos are going to really just allow you to just springboard yourself onto that platform if that's what you're looking for. So what we'll do now is we will, as I said, I've got review access. So I'm going to open up a couple of these and just give you a little behind the scenes of what you get if you invest in this. So we can see here we've got 50 videos in the daily routines and habits, 50 in time management, 50 focus and concentration themed, 50 work-life balance, 50 procrastination and motivation, and then 50 efficiency and productivity hacks. So that is 300 videos altogether. Fantastic value. And then those are the bonuses. So I'm going to just open up this one, and this one. So you just click that link, then you'd click use template for new design. And then I'm just going to do a grid view so you can just get a great overview of what you get. So I'm just going through and just putting these on grid view. Okay, so as you can see, various different videos with various different quotes, sayings within that, the daily routines and habits niche, which is what this particular set of videos are about. So really great variation of backgrounds of videos, lots of different people, things, places, people in action, motion-filled videos that are going to hopefully have the aim of stopping the scroll for the particular audience you are aiming for. So if we look at these, I'm just going to press play. And as you can see, so the way it's playing now, I believe that the words will actually move as well, but it's just the format in which I'm playing it. So maybe if I click this here, there we go. So you can see that the way the format is within the Canva, they're all kind of rolling into one. But when you download it, you can download each video separately and it will have the same effect. But this is just giving you a really great overview as to what you're going to get. As I said, there are 50 videos in each, so really amazing value. So something like this, you could use, the things I would say is maybe swap out the videos if you want to. You can use these sayings, these quotes in various things on affirmation cards, journals, planners. You can use it on wall posters, wall art. You can use it in actual long form videos as well. You could create a course around this or a lead magnet. There's so many ideas with this pre-made content of things that you can make without having to think about the content that you're creating as much as you would. So it's just, this product is just going to allow you to sidestep that headache of coming up with content. It's already there and you just pick and choose what you like and use it in the way that you wish. So moving on to this one, another set of videos within this product. This is the time management videos. Again, really time management focused. So as you can see, we've got like an hourglass here. We've got people working and, it's tying into that time management, being focused, working hard kind of theme. So if I just click play, we can have a look at some of these. Really lovely background, really scroll stopping, beautiful background there. Daniel does provide you with details as to how you can go about making changes to this really quickly, really easily, just to give you some additional creative juices. So as you can see, these are the videos here. That's for time management. Let's move on to the next one, which is focus and concentration videos. Again, really high quality. Let's play these. Focus on your goals with laser-like precision and distractions will fade away. So as you can see, that background there is really focused on that particular saying, and it should go into another one shortly. Concentration is the key to mastery. Dedicate your full attention to the task at hand. So again, but this content is going to just be really great to be able to copy and paste into various other products. That's what I would think about using something like this. And it is just like I say, like I keep saying, it's just a way of being able to streamline, be more efficient, have that content that you can tap into, use as you please. So those were the first 3 bundles. So the other videos, like I said, are the work-life balance, procrastination and motivation, and efficiency and productivity hacks, not to mention those bonuses as well. So when I am moving on to the document that gives me all the additional details, which I'm going to show you now, the price, because this actually hasn't launched yet, but by the time this video goes live, it should be launched. The price is only $12.95. Now, again, I say it over and over again, but if you can just draw even a little bit of value from a product that you're investing in, then it's always going to be a good return on your investment. For only $12.95, you're not really going to find the wealth of content anywhere else, really. So really great price during that launch period. And then there's the upsell, which is a mega bundle of video courses and ebooks, which is a great one. Again, even more content, but not necessary if you're just looking for those videos. The upsell 2 is Ultimate Planners, mega bundle. Again, a massive bundle of planners, journals on various trending topics, such as personal development, business manifestation, as well as lots of others. So there's lots of really great content to sink your teeth into if you want to really go that whole hog. But that front end set of 300 viral videos is more than enough as well. So like I was telling you earlier on, I'm creating a bonus for this. Because it's such high value, it's just a no-brainer for me. And I really want you to, see the value, provide additional value for you to then really want to invest. So I am creating a masterclass where I will show you how to create different products, printable products that you can sell on Etsy, on your own website and anywhere else in between. They are quite unsaturated. So you're going to be more likely to make sales of them if you do upload them onto Etsy. I'm always trying to uncover those unsaturated, kind of untapped, flying under the radar type products, because it's just easier to make sales with those. And so I just scour Etsy and Pinterest and various different places to uncover those particular products. I use a tool called Sales Samurai, which also helps me to do some data validation. And so I'm going to show you the products that I'm going to be creating for you within this masterclass, which will be a bonus. So we have first up toddler morning routine chart. And also these products are kind of, more slanted towards that productivity needs. So you can use them in conjunction with those viral videos as well. So toddler morning routine chart. So this is definitely product routine based. It's aimed at kids. And it's going to be really helpful for parents and children to create that routine in the morning. That is like the morning routine is just so necessary. As you can see, these are really cute designs that we're seeing on the first page of Etsy, really colourful, really vibrant, really eye-catching. I'm going to show you how to create these. If we are validating this niche further within Sales Samurai, which is my validation tool of choice at the moment, I am testing out a few others, so hopefully I'll be able to bring some other software tools to you as well. But it's saying here that the Etsy search volume is 13,835, which is a really great search volume, monthly search volume. The click-through rate is really, really high, which means that people are clicking through and making that purchase more often than not. But the competition is really low at only 1,575. So there really aren't that many products that are available that are showing up for this particular niche. And so that's just increasing the chances of you being able to make a sale, which is what we all want. The next one we'll be creating is a decluttering checklist. So this is, again, definitely within that productivity niche. Decluttering, it's something that people do year round. You've got the spring decluttering that people kind of focus on, but it is just a year round thing. I probably need one of these for myself, for my household. So we are going to create one of those together. If we look over at the data on Sales Samurai, we can see that the Etsy search volume is really, really high. A green tick mark there, 33,956. So it is really getting that traffic, those views. People are really searching hard for products such as these. The click-through rate, again, is really high. I generally like to see anything above that 2 to 3%. So this is well above that 10%. And the competition, again, is really, really low. A green tick there. So, again, a really untapped, unsaturated product that we will create in our masterclass. And then last but by no means least, we have a focus journal. So we will probably use some of the content from the viral videos to create these focus journals. I think it will be a really great addition. We will create a journal within Canva. All of these products will be created in Canva. You will also gain access to the products that are created. Just in case you just don't really want to make them yourself, you will have access to these ready-made. I'll be making them in the free version of Canva as well. So this is another untapped, unsaturated niche. And the thing that is really interesting here is that I'm actually not seeing any products on this first page that really hone in on that focus journal keyword. I'm seeing digital planner, I'm seeing bullet journal, I'm seeing self-care planner, but there's nothing that's really focused in on that focus journal keyword, which is very interesting. It means that people really aren't targeting, and so Etsy is just returning anything that it can find that it feels is aligned with this keyword. So if we were to create something that is really aligned with what people are looking for, which is a focus journal, a journal to help them focus, we are going to hopefully be more likely to make sales. And when we are looking over at the number of this, the data on Sales Samurai, we can see that 19,784 search volume are those numbers. The Etsy click-through rate is over 5%, and the competition is really small at 2,312. So really great numbers. We're going to use that content from the viral videos to create these as much as we can within that focus journal. And that is my bonus masterclass that you will receive once you have made your purchase of the viral videos. This bonus will be out probably from about the 17th of August onwards. just to give me some time to put it together. So it's not going to be immediately available from the time that the product is here, but it will come out after a few days after that product has opened up for sale. So I hope you've got some value. I hope you've been able to get a good view as to what you get within this particular product. Again, if we go back to that sales page, these productivity viral videos are getting over 300. The price is really great, $12.95. You really aren't going to get very much more value than that for that kind of money. And again, you get my bonus as well. So really trying to sweeten the deal for you. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. But until next time, all the very best.